Now question number 2.32. Calculate the depression in freezing point of water when 10 gram of CH3, CH2, CHCl, COOH is added to 250 gram of water. Ka is equal to 1.4 into 10 power minus 3. Kf is equal to 1.86 Kelvin kilogram per mole. Again, it's a simple question of chemical equilibrium. Now say W2 is 10 gram given, W1 is 250 gram given, molecular mass is 122.5 when you calculate. Ka is also given, that is 1.4 into 10 power minus 3. Kf is also given, that is 1.86. Okay, so now see, first of all we'll find the concentration. So what is the formula? Molality. Molality is equal to W2 into 1000 upon M2 into W1. W2 that is given mass of the solid 10 gram, 1000, 122.5 molecular mass, you calculate. W1 is 250 gram. So molality is 0.3264 molar. Now let's write down the equation. C. CH3, CH2, CHCl, COOH, it will ionize, dissociate like this. H plus will be liberated. So according to chemical equilibrium, initially it is taken 1 mole. Now product are not formed initially, so it is taken 0, 0. Now we know that degree of dissociation is alpha, alpha and 1 minus alpha. So concentration at equilibrium is 1 minus alpha into C, alpha into C, alpha into C. Now dissociation constant K, how we calculate? Product upon reactant. So alpha C into alpha C upon 1 minus alpha into C. So alpha square C square minus 1 alpha into C. C cancel. So we got the alpha square upon C minus 1 minus alpha. And as we have derived in class 11, if alpha is very negligible, because we are taking very small amount of solute or very dilute solution. Dilute solution, that means degree of dissociation is very small. So in that case 1 minus alpha is ignored. So finally we got K is equal to alpha square C. Okay, so 1.4 into 10 power minus 3, alpha square 0.3264 and alpha is equal to 0.065. Now here just I have derived this formula for your knowledge. Otherwise you can write direct formula alpha is equal to under root K upon C by simplifying this. Okay, no need to derive this thing. So by applying this formula alpha is equal to K upon under root C, you will get the answer alpha is equal to 0.065. Now see, we will calculate the I, that is the want of factor. Now what is the want of factor? That you have to check my videos for abnormal molecular masses, videos number 13 and 14. So before doing this question you should be clear in want of factor. Now see, CH3, CH2, CHCl, COOH, again it is a dissociation. Basically initially it is taken 1 mole, 0, 0, degree of dissociation is alpha, alpha and 1 minus alpha. So total moles present at the equilibrium, moles, total moles is equal to 1 minus alpha plus alpha and alpha. How? See here, total moles in the solution of reactant and the product. So 1 minus alpha, alpha and alpha, alpha cancel. So it is 1 plus alpha. 1 plus alpha after dissociation. It is after dissociation. Okay, let me explain again because I think you have not verified. Now see again, alpha is equal to 0.065. Now calculate the I. So again write the equation, it is a dissociation constant. Initially it is taken 1 mole, 0 and 0. So at the degree of dissociation is alpha, alpha and 1 minus alpha. Okay, so total moles at the equilibrium of product plus reactant, that is 1 minus alpha and alpha, that is 1 plus alpha, that is after dissociation. So now according to our formula, I is equal to total number of dissociated and number of ions before dissociation. Dissociated, that means total number of ions after dissociation or number of ions before dissociation. So total number of ions after dissociation that we calculate here, that is 1 plus alpha, and initially it was 1, number of ion was 1, and after dissociation it becomes 1 plus alpha. So now here I is equal to 1 plus alpha upon 1, cross multiply, I is equal to 1 plus 0.065. So I is equal to 1.065. Now why we have to do all these things? Because we want to find the depression in freezing point. The formula for the depression in freezing point is I into Kf into m molality. So I we have to calculate, that we calculate from here. Kf is given in the question and molality we calculate, that is 0.3264. So after this calculation we will get delta Tf is equal to 0.647 Kelvin. So for molality we have to do this step, okay, and to calculate alpha we have to do this step. And why we have taken this? Because we want to calculate I, okay. So all are necessary steps. Now question number 2.33. Now 2.33 is 19.5 gram of CH2F COOH is dissolved in 500 gram of water. The depression of the freezing point of the water observed is 1 degree Celsius. Calculate the want-off factor and the dissociation constant of fluoroacetic acid. So now very simple question. Again you have to watch my videos of abnormal molecular mass and videos of colligative property if you are not clear in the concept. Question number 2.33. W2 is equal to 19.5 gram. W1 is equal to 500 gram. That is given in the question. Weight of the solute, weight of the solution, molecular mass of the solute, fluoroacetic acid, that is 78 gram per mole. Kf is given 1.86. So first of all let's start. And depression in freezing point is, that is given, delta Tf is equal to 1. I not given, that we will find. Kf 1.86, W2 is equal to 19.5 into 1000, M2 78, W1 is 500. After this calculation we will get I is equal to 1.0752. Now see, now we want to calculate the Ka, dissociation constant of fluoroacetic acid. It's acid, so we have to find Ka, and for the Ka the formula is just we have done in the question number 2.32 by derivation, that is Ka is equal to alpha square C. So before calculating Ka we have to get alpha, okay. So and C is the concentration, that we will also find. So how to calculate alpha? So again, according to video number 13 and 14, you know the formula, degree of dissociation, that is I minus 1, and degree of dissociation is I minus 1, n minus 1, and degree of association is n upon 1 minus n into I minus 1. Here we have to calculate degree of dissociation because it's acid. So I minus 1, n minus 1, okay. So degree of dissociation, that is the symbol is alpha. I minus 1, I is 1.0752 and it is minus 1. Why it is minus 1? How? Yes, according to the formula, n is the actual number of ions. Actually actual number of ions, that means when we are doing dissociation CH2F COOH, it is dissociated into 2 ions, that is CH2F COO minus NH plus. So we have here 1 and 2. Actual number of ion is 2. So at that time I told you that what is n should be taken, that we will clear in the numericals, okay. So I is equal to 1.0752 minus 1 and 2 minus 1. The answer is 0.075. Suppose I have given AlCl3. In that case AlCl3 is ionized. How it will ionize? Al plus 3 and 3Cl minus. So at that time, in that type of question, we will put n is equal to 2. We will substitute n is equal to 2. Okay, so alpha is equal to 0.075. Now we got the alpha. Now the formula is K is equal to alpha square C. C is the again molarity or concentration. We will find the molarity W2 into 1000 upon M2 into W1 because weight is given, volume is not given. So 19.5 thousand M2 and W1 gram of solvent is given, that is 0.5. Just substitute the values. Alpha we got 0.75, substitute here, and 0.5. So after calculation we will get Ka is equal to 2.81 into 10 power minus 3. Very simple question.